negative 4 over 6b, so that's 1 over 6p. So p over 6 minus 4 over 5. So p over 6 minus 4 over 5. Sarah received $55 for her birthday. She used some of the money to buy 3 shirts priced at $M each. How much money does Sarah have left? So she received $55 for her birthday. So she has $55. She used some of that money to buy 3 shirts. So 55 minus 3M equals how much she has left. So 55 minus 3M. Final solution. To add 1, we have 4x is greater than 12. X is greater than 3. John reads the first 114 pages of a novel, which is 3 pages less than 1/3 of the novel. Write and determine the number of pages. Which is equal to take p over 3 minus 3. One-third of a novel minus 3. Total number of pages, so that's 117 times 3, 351. 351 divided by 3 minus 3. She goes 115. There we go. Sharon decides to try to solve an equation step by step. Find the mistake. 3 so we subtract, so it's step 2. Should subtract, so you should get negative 2 for the answer. Negative, less than that, negative 1. Choose the inequality that represents the graph. Negative 5. Less than, so 0, which is less than 5. 4, 5 is not less than 5. There we go. Solve for h. Six over 14 minus 4 over 14 gets us 1 over 14. It has to be higher. So 5 over 14. 5 times 2, that's 10. So if 10 over 14 minus 4 over 14 is 6 over 14. 10 over 14 is 5 over 7 minus 2 over 7 is equal to 3 over 7. 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. The expressions are equivalent. Apparently I'm not convinced. Let's double check our math though. So we have -7 plus -12e minus 9. That's -12e minus 16. And then we can multiply -4 out of this. So -4, 3e plus 4. I'd say. Which is fine. Of alpha's values satisfies the inequality. 3. You have $20 to spend on a taxi fare. Okay, only 20 euros. The ride costs $5 plus $2.5 per kilometer. What's the maximum distance? So that just means D has to be, the greatest distance has to be, so $5 plus 2.5 D 20 minus 15 over 2.5 has to be greater than D. Let's check this. We can go 0. Zero distance. Is that possible? No. So you go 0 distance. You go all the way up to 15.25. Let's see. Let's multiply this up. So 15 divided by 2.5 is 6. Greater than or equal to 6. 6. $20, and the ride cost has to be equal to or greater 5 plus 2.5 D. 15 is greater than or equal to 2.5 D. Get D is greater than or equal to 15 over 2.5. 6 is greater than or equal to D. So the maximum distance you can write is 6, because 2.5 times 6 is equal to 15. 15 plus 5 is 20. Hey, what's a happy thought? Oh, help me. Leah has not yet studied 60 for 2,400 flashcards. She studies 40 new flashcards each day. Sam needs to rent studio space for $600 a month for music lessons. He charges his students $4 per hour and earns a profit of $2,400 this month. A kit contains 600 letter tiles of 40 number tiles. Each tile has the same mass and kit. Okay. So you have not studied for... That seems about right. Your entity is paid for $600 a month. He charges students $4 per hour. A kit contains 600 letter tiles and 40 number tiles. Each has the same mass. So as X grows, she studies. The number gets smaller and smaller. A kit contains 600 letter tiles and 400 number tiles. Each tile has the same mass, and the kit has a total mass of 2400. I wouldn't do the middle one like that. I wouldn't order it, the equation like that. That was, I think you should have added 600, because that's what the problem sounded like, but those are my thoughts. Equivalent expression, so we have 50k plus 5 plus 4 plus 16, so 50 plus 16 is 66k plus 5, that's 7, 66k plus 9, 5 plus 7, that's 9, so 66k plus 9. Let's do this on paper. 50k plus 5 plus 4 plus 16k, 66k plus 9. 66k plus 9. There we go. Edgar ran E meters per second, and Matthew ran M meters per second. The boys ran for T seconds. The expression describes how many more meters Matthew ran than Edgar ran during the same time. We can also use the expression Tm minus Te to represent the same quantity. Match each amount in the situation with the expression that represents it. So Edgar ran E meters. Tm T. Why don't you multiply that by T? Oh, per second. Okay. Yay! Happy time. Goodbye.